And I think there is a lot of, as you're getting to, there are a lot of exciting things happening in AML. So let me go through the list. So I think in terms of IDH inhibitors, I'm excited to see the final results of the combination, at least on the phase 1 study of IDH inhibitors with induction chemotherapy, because the safety of that combination will lead to a randomized phase 3 study. I'm excited to see the results of the combinations of Venetoclax with low-dose Cytarabine or hypomethylating agents. There are 2 randomized phase 3 studies that are ongoing. I was recently told that the randomized phase 3 study of low-dose Cytarabine and Venetoclax versus low-dose Cytarabine alone is now completed. Not sure it's going to be ready for ASH this year, but that's a study I'm looking forward to. The ADMIRAL study, which is a study of the FLT3 inhibitor gilteritnib versus salvage chemotherapy regimens in relapsed and refractory FLT3 positive AML. I suspect it may be presented at ASH this year, and that's because the company filed with the FDA and the Japanese medicines, so they clearly have some data, hopefully, and presumably they think their data is pretty good if they're filing, and hopefully we'll get to see how good that data might be at ASH. Similarly with FLT3 inhibitors, the Quizartinib study, the Quantum R study, which is a relapse study of Quizartinib versus Quizartinib versus chemotherapy for relapsed and refractory AML. That's going to be an important study that we're looking forward to. So a lot happening in the FLT3 space. And finally, I have not given up on immunotherapy, although a lot of times I talk about it like I have. But I think that all of these studies of immunotherapy and figuring out how to give immunotherapy to patients with AML, it's clear that immunotherapy works in AML. And we know that because patients who get bone marrow transplants get immunotherapy with those donor T cells, and it works. But the question is, if you're revving up the host T cells, what's the right disease state to get that therapy to work? Is it when patients only have minimal residual disease? Is it with overt disease? Is the PD-1 pathway important or PD-L1 pathway important? That's really an open question. So a lot of questions still in AML, but hopefully we'll get answers soon.